Hi friends, are you struggling to clear prelims examination? Are you finding it difficult to cover the entire syllabus of prelims examination? Are you finding it difficult to find where to start? We have a way for you. We from IAS Academy, our team has identified certain high-yielding micro themes, which if you prepare thoroughly for civil service examination, especially for prelims, you can easily crack prelims examination. Let me explain you what we have done for you. Now, assuming that the entire prelims syllabus has got so many concepts, and all the concepts, if you find it in terms of the numbers that we have, it might land up at somewhere around 1500 micro themes. We can call them as micro topics. What we have done is, we analyzed last nearly 12 years of prelims GS1 question papers. And out of which we found out all those topics or micro themes which are repeated by UPSC. And after finding all these repeated subtopics, we found almost 500 plus micro themes from which every year UPSC is repeating questions. I don't say that exact replica of questions are repeated, but the question is rephrased from the same micro theme. We can find almost 500 plus micro themes out of 1500 total micro themes of the syllabus. Now, what is the shortcut here to crack prelims? Mastery these 500 plus micro themes and identify what is the pattern in which UPSC is asking questions in these 500 plus micro themes. These 500 plus micro themes cater to nearly 50% of the questions in each of these prelims questions. It means that you get mastery over these 500 plus themes, you will get nearly 50 questions from your prelims GS1 paper. We created a unique program for your prelims preparation. We call it RapidX Prelims. What is this RapidX Prelims? It is a 60-day program, 2 months program. If you know, we have 3 months right now for prelims preparation, of which 2 months, 60 days, if you give to us, which would be in terms of RapidX prelims preparation, which is going to start from 24th of February. This RapidX prelims has got all those things that I'm talking about, those 500 plus high-yielding micro themes, which would be taught to you meticulously by Delhi-based and Hyderabad-based faculty. This RapidX prelims program will be taught by faculty coming from Delhi as well as from Hyderabad. Now, what these faculty are going to do? These faculty are going to teach you these 500 plus micro themes along with the current affairs connected to or related to these micro themes, so that your core concepts along with the current affairs would be covered at the same time parallelly. Along with that, there is a mentorship program free of cost for all these students who join for this RapidX Prelims program. And what is this mentorship program? This mentorship program is all about mentorship, one-to-one personalized mentorship given by rankers. The rankers who are in training and the rankers who are in the field job. They're the one who are going to give you personalized mentorship from now onwards till the time you crack your prelims examination in May 25th. What else we have in this RapidX Prelims program? Along with one-to-one mentorship, we also have CSAT Master Program. CSAT is something everyone, most of the students find it difficult to clear CSAT. And even in this CSAT also, we found out those concepts where UPSC repeatedly asks questions. And these are those concepts or micro themes where you have to get mastery. If you get mastery over that, minimum guaranteed that you will get minimum 20 to 30 questions from these high-yielding micro themes from CSAT itself, wherein the cutoff for CSAT would be somewhere around 27.5 to 28 questions. Along with this, every week you are going to have a module-based test. Along with the module-based test, in the end, you are going to attempt 2 full-length mock tests in GS as well as in CSAT. Now, who are these Delhi and Hyderabad-based faculty who are going to teach you these high-yielding micro themes? And these are those faculty who are considered to be one of the topmost faculty in Delhi as well as in Hyderabad, and who has got vast experience of teaching for civil services examination. And this program is available both online as well as offline. And we also have this flexible options of enrollment. We can join for GS plus CSAT together, or you can join only for GS RapidX, or you can join for only CSAT RapidX, or you can join only for a specific test series, or you can join even for any specific module as well. That means if you want to attend only polity crash course, you can attend, or if you want to attend only micro themes related to economy, you can attend a specific economy module as well. If you want to enroll for this, please scan this QR code. This scan QR code will lead you to a landing page where you give your basic details. Our team will contact you and give you further more information. Or else you can directly contact through our phone number given here on the screen.